Show her your ninja stuff. Show her how you were doing your ninja stuff.
Okay. So you get down here. Okay. Ow. Are you done for like you did?
No.
Yeah. You're gonna give us bacon. I wanna tell Daddy. Come over here. Come over here. Bend over. Yeah.
Sure don't. Please don't.
Yay.
Please don't.
Yes.
You're not listening.
You get the bacon. Ah. I'm gonna go to my hotel.
No.
What would you like to do today?
I don't know. Do you have any Legos?
We might have something like Legos. Would you like to play with something like that?
What did you not get on film?
I didn't get you saying thank you. That was so nice.
Thank you. No problem.
What are all those?
I'm gonna pop you over here. Where's the E?
Is this it? No, it's close. There might not be any.
Money.
Money.
Cents.
It doesn't look like there is an E.
Hands.
Oh, you have two F's. There's an R.